I have a Novy extraction hood to repair. Welcome on my channel. The knob to increase the level is not working, which is the third switch from the left. I directly go to the control board. Because the other switches are working perfectly, I suspect the problem is on this board. To get access, I remove the 3 screws which hold the control board with the switches. It is also possible to replace the whole board for €104, so it's worth to repair the board. This is the control panel removed from the extraction hood with the LEDs and the 4 switches. The PCB can be removed from the back by removing the 2 screws. En het is een kwestie van schakelen. Now let's see how this is working. There are only a few parts, so let's check them. First I check the switches and how they are connected. The switches are functioning correct. The only suspect now is an A4T. When you look this up in the SMT codebook, you find that this is a BAV70S, which contains 2 pairs of common cathode diodes. You see the spec sheet on the left. The multimeter is in diode mode, but I do not measure any forward voltage. I lost some video, but later on I measured the correct values. I placed the controller board back and it worked correctly for days before the problem came back. Because of the strange readings, I ordered the BAV70S to replace it anyway. I removed the controller board again and do all the checks again before removing the BAV70S. I also checked the BAV70S again and it still looks fine, but I don't trust it. And when I check the switch again, it also looks fine. Let me take a new BAV70S and test it before I replace the old one. I use the multimeter in diode mode and measure the forward and backward conductivity. First I add some flux and use low melting solder to reduce the melting temperature of the soldered component, which makes it easier to remove the component. And you see, I don't even need special equipment, the BAV70S is off the PCB already. To remove the old solder I use solder wick. And you always see videos where it's going so smooth, but not in this case. Remove the old flux with 99% IPA so I can continue with the clean PCB. What's this? The solder mask is gone between the pads. De masker is gewoon kapot. Maar dat is niet goed. The copper layer below the top layer is even visible. I repair this with only a small amount of solder mask. I remove the extra solder mask with a piece of paper towel. I have to clean up and remove the solder mask from the pads. Last time checking if there are any shorts. If not, I can install the new diode pack. This short is okay, there is a track between the two pads. First I put some solder on one pad and tag the package and position it correctly. Nice! The first 3 pins are done. I turned the board around for the last 3. I'm using some solder on the soldering tip. The flux on the board does the rest. Almost finished, only some cleaning up to do. Let's see if everything is working as it should be. This has to be cleaned up a little bit more. I have put the PCB back in the extraction hood and it's functioning perfect now for weeks. Thanks for watching.